Well, good morning, goats. I hear the cows out there talking. Good morning, chickie. You ready to come out, chick? Huh? You ready to come out? There you go. Come on out, chickie. You guys ready to come out too, there, goatsies? Oh, I'm going to use 2 hands. There we go. Come on out and roam the world this morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, chickie. Good morning, this chick. And good morning to all of you as well. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We greatly appreciate it. Let's keep growing this channel. This morning, normal barn chores this morning. Clean pens, rebed them, put a new bale in for the cows. And then we got some more fence to build. Some more fence out in the corn stalks to build. Already got the posts in the whole way around. Just got to run our new wire that we got. So stay tuned. Let's get to work. We got a couple visitors this morning. Miss Izzy and one of the other mamas coming in. We gotta get this all cleaned up. It looks worse than what it is. But as you see, plenty of poop to scoop. And for those that don't know, the scooping poop is a twice a day thing for us. You know, we like to make sure our cows are always laying in good dry bedding if they're laying out here, or if they're laying in here. So we keep the poop scooped, the wet stuff away. That's pretty good. And you hear them all bawling. They're gonna need a bale this morning, which is what we wanted, them to eat up their old stuff. Anyone else's barn cats give you a circus show? There's one up there that you see running. There's one there. I think there's one more climbing over here. And then a lot of times they sit here and they walk right across. Oh, there's another one. Like I told you, it's like a little circus show. Oh, shoot. There's one of them new ones that we had got. She's a barn cow for sure. There's one cleaned up. Still needs to be bedded. Off to the next one. They don't look bad. I'm quite surprised how good they look. Number 2 done. So number 3. Just got a little girl over here. Hey, sir. Here. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, little girl, you wiped out. Make sure I put that in the video. Only like a quarter mile left to go. All right, got 2 wires done. You got a hard time seeing them there, huh? There's 2 wires done. Now we'll go back, get the 3rd wire, and start bringing it around. Yeehaw. That'll be a big addition. Big addition. I tell you what, we had bought these new reels and some new wire. This stuff is old wire here, but new wire is over there on that far side over there. We bought these things from Parmak. Let me tell you what, awesome investment. I wish we had done this a couple years ago, but we didn't. So anyways, We got to string this wire up here, right down through here, right around the other side, up. I don't know if you can even see some of them posts over there. Kind of hard. Right, oh, right there's one. There's a white one. Right over there. So anyways, we got some stringing to do here, so let's get to her. When Beck gets back, she'll be putting on the orange flaggies on. This side will be okay. As you can see, it has all the orange flaggies. But when we get down and around over there somewhere, I'll start putting flags back on. Well, you still got some of the green in the car, don't you?
No, I said that.
Oh.
I said I have one piece that's like this big in the car. Eating hair.
Yum.
Oh yeah.
Well, moo-moos, are you ready? Are you ready, moo-moos? Okay, a couple seconds here. Come on, moo-moos. Come on, moo-moos. Down here, goobers, not that.
Come on. Hey, Hank, let's go.
Over here. Over here. Come on, Door. Come on, Dory.
Come on, Dory. Come on. Come on.
There you come. How y'all doing? Hi, black babies.
Come on.
Over there. Down there.
Come on.
Come on. You're okay. It's open. The water's fine. Oh, now she sees it. Oh, look at that. She says, oh, yeah. Here they come. Oh, they better go. There they go. They're like, look at this. Yep, there's a fence there. Yep, fence there to keep you all corralled in there. Now we gotta go back the other way. Look at him go! Look at him go! Puffing some good steam back there, aren't you, girly? How you doing, girly? Did you shake that baby out of there? Hello, girly. Well, from up there, down to there, over to here, right down this way. Clear down to where you see the cows, clear down in there. Yep, they're all on stalks. Look at a little man there just running along. A good little feller. Yep, they're all just meandering their way out here this evening. Want to make sure we turned them out here so that way they knew where everything was at before tomorrow when they're out here freelancing, doing their own thing. So looks like they're all learning the fence, so that's good. Hello, girly. Hello, buddy. You guys like your new pasture? Huh? I see some of you got some corn stalks hanging out of your mouth. Huh. I see you do too. Huh. Right down there under your weaning ring. Hello, everybody. Hi, Miss Spotty. Hey there, feller. How you doing, feller? Him, yeah. What you doing, girly?
That is not your mother. That's your mother.
Are you enjoying your new pasture? Huh?
Hey, Baxter. Hey, Baxter. What are you doing, buddy?
Huh? Hi there, Big Mama. Hi, Big Mama. How you doing?
Mama's right behind you.
Huh? Yep, Big Mama.
Hi, Bella. Hi.
Well, thanks for watching today, guys. We got the cows out on our new pasture. As you can see them out there. They're all enjoying this new section here so far. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us get them into this new section. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the next one. Have a good one, guys.